Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's make this poster design in Canva. So first of all, we're gonna all go to Canva, search for poster, go to templates. From here, click on create new design. Next, what we're gonna do is open up a blank poster which is brand new. Now go to uploads, insert an image. So I'm gonna go with this image of Sydney, and then I'm just gonna double click it to crop it and fit it into my template. Next, what we're gonna do is just adjust it, move it a bit down, duplicate it using Ctrl+D and remove this background. Now we're gonna insert a heading, and let's just change this font. The font I'm gonna go with is Fatimi font. Let's increase its size, send it to the back, go to layer and send it to the back. Just between the two layers of the first image and the second image, go to effects and give it the hollow effect, or we can just give it the neon effect, but change the color to white. Or we can also go for the lift effect. Let's just decrease the size of the text a bit. Next, we're gonna go to elements and we're gonna just search for a gradient. This first gradient, we're just gonna put this here. Now let's increase the size a bit, move it a bit down, duplicate it using Ctrl+D, make 3 copies of it, put them on top of each other. Next, we're gonna insert another text box in which we're gonna type our subtitle, whichever the subtitle you want to use. The font I'm gonna go with is called, you can just check it from there, it's called Simple Serenity. So what we're gonna do is just increase its size, put it here, then we're gonna insert another text box in which we're gonna write our more subtitle. So this is gonna be our description of what our poster is about. Then let's just put it right here. The font I'm gonna use for it is called The Seasons. Finally, we have our poster with all of the text, all of the elements. Then let's go to animate and let's just give it the we can just give it the rise animation, or let's just go with sleek animation and click on both. So yeah, this is the final result. Make sure to subscribe.